the most beneficial, the most merciful. Honorable jury, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I stand before you with a dream, with a vision, and with a plea. Let's join hands to change Pakistan. Dear audience, today we are gathered at a critical situation in our nation's history. We stand at a crossroad where the path we have chosen will determine the future of our beloved Pakistan. Dear fellows, look around and see the Pakistan of today. Corruption has eroded the very soul of our institution. Our society is divided. Our voices are often silenced by the force of power, and our economy is crippled by inefficiency and greed. Inequality continues to rise. Poverty tightens its grip on our people and interfaces stunned traditional growth. I ask you a question. Is this the Pakistan we envision? Is this the Pakistan we dream of? Honorable jury, we want a Pakistan where every child has access to quality education, where every citizen has access to health care, where every child smiles with hope, where every individual has equal opportunities, and where every community can thrive with prosperity. In the word of Helen Keller, life is either a thrilling adventure or nothing. To keep our faces toward change and behave like free spirit in the presence of fate is strength undefeatable. Dear audience, we must shatter the chain of corruption, inequality, and injustice. We must reclaim our nation from those who have hijacked our destiny. We must recognize that our diversity is our strength, not our weakness. We are not Punjabi, not Sindhi, not Pashtun, or not Balochi alone. We are Pakistani. We are one nation, united in our diversity. Dear audience, youth are the catalysts for change. They are the drivers of innovation, creativity, and progress. We must empower our women who are the backbone of our society. We must provide them the equal opportunities of education and healthcare. Women are not just homemakers.